Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video, I will explain you how to draw the simple floor plan which is related to the east facing direction, which is consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen portion. So in this video, I will cover the concept which is related to the 2D floor plan for 30 feet cross 60 feet site. Okay, so the side dimensions will be consisting of 30 feet cross 60 feet, which is equals to your respected 1800 square feet. So 1800 square feet divided by 9, which is equals to 200 yards. So in this video, I will cover the concept which is related to the east facing direction, which is having the flat as 200 yards. Okay, so initially you need to open your AutoCAD software. So here I am selecting AutoCAD 2015 version software here. So select this. The software will be open here like this. So it will be consisting of your respective start drawing option, open, something like this. So initially we need to select the start drawing option. So it will load your respected AutoCAD software interface here like this. So it will be consisting of your respected 2D commands on the top. So initially we need to select the units command. Select it as UN short form. Click on enter option. So here we have to select the length units will be in engineering. Why? Because we need to consider the distance in feet as well as your inches. So that's why I'm considering it as engineering. So here we have to select the intersection scale will be in feet here. So click on OK. So after selecting this respected option, so initially we need to select the dimensions also. D enter. So here we have to modify this respected dimension style as per the feet and inches. So initially I am selecting modify option here. So select this respected option as primary units. So here I am selecting it as engineering units. So after that we have to select the text. So it will be consisting of your text as 0.1800 inches. So here I am considering this respected distance is 6 inches. So click on OK option. So after that we have to close this respective option. So after selecting units as well as your dimensions, initially we need to draw the side dimensions. Okay, so select line command, L enter. So initially we need to select some point here. So initially I am selecting this respected point. So now we have to on the ortho with the help of the F8 option, select F8. So in the horizontal distance we need to enter it as 30 feet 0 inches. Click on enter option. Okay, so it will draw your respected 30 feet line here like this. So initially we need to measure the distance here, whether it is comes under 30 feet or not. So here I am selecting the starting point here. Again I am selecting the second point. So it will be consisting of approximately dimensions of 30 feet here. Okay, so after that we have to delete this respected 30 feet direction. Now we have to draw the vertical line. So here I am selecting the line command, L enter. Select the starting point here. So here I am selecting this respected distance is 60 feet 0 inches. Click on enter option. So it will draw your respected vertical line here like this. So click on Z enter, zoom enter, A enter, all options. Okay, so here I am drawing this respected line like this. So again we have to enter the line command. So here I am selecting this respective starting point. Again I am selecting the distance is 30 feet 0 inches. Okay, so click on enter option. Again we have to join this respected option to this respected point. Okay, so after that we have to rotate this respected model. So this respected distance will be in east facing direction, and this respected distance will be in north facing. This is west facing as well as this is south facing. Okay, so initially we need to draw the offset for this respected site. Okay, so basically we need to draw the offset for balcony section as well as your open space. So here I am selecting offset, O enter. So in the front facing direction, just I am drawing the offset which is at a distance of 8 feet 0 inches. Click on enter option. Okay, so here I am drawing this respected offset with the help of this vertical line. Click on enter option. So after that again I am drawing one more offset which is related to 3 feet 0 inches distance in the top section here like this. So after that we have to draw one more offset. Just I am drawing the back side, and here I am drawing this respected offset here like this. So after that we have to trim excess of the portions here, TR double enter. So here I am trimming this respected excess of the portion. So here this respected vertical lines as well as horizontal lines will be trimmed here like this for this respected plan. So after trimming process is completed, the inner portion of your rectangle comes under your plinth section. Okay, so for this respected plinth section only we need to draw the plan. Okay, so initially I am drawing this respected plan. So here I am drawing the outer wall section. Basically the outer wall section will be comes under your 9 inches. Okay, so that's why we need to take the offset which is related to the 9 inches distance. So here I am selecting this respected distance as 9 inches. Again this left hand side section will be 9 inches. This bottom section will be 9 inches. Again I am drawing this respected section 9 inches. Okay, so after that initially we need to measure the distance here, inner to inner distance between the lines here like this. So it will be comes under your respected value of, let us consider it as 22 feet 6 inches. Let us take So here I am drawing first bedroom. So this is my first bedroom here on the left of this respected corner. So here I am taking the offset which is comes under your respected, let us consider it as 11 feet 6 inches. Just I am considering the distance here. So select the starting point here. Again we have to draw the line here. Okay, so after that we have to draw the one more offset for this respective section which is comes under your 5 inches inner wall thickness. So here I am drawing this respected wall here like this. Okay, so after that again we have to draw the one more section lines in horizontal position here. So for that initially I am selecting offset here. So basically I am considering this respected distance, let us consider it as 15 feet 0 inches. Just I am considering this respected offset distance. So select this respected point, just I am drawing this. Okay, again I am selecting offset, again I am selecting which is comes under your respected distance of 5 inches here. Okay, so here I am drawing this respected distance 5 inches. So after that we have to draw the trim the excess of the portion for this respected offset. TR double enter, select the starting point, ending point, select this, select this. So after that we have to erase this respected vertical line for this main bedroom. So here I am selecting erase option, E enter, select this respected two lines here, click on enter option. So it will erase your respected options here. So after that we have to extend this respected line, X double enter, select this extension. Now we have to trim the excess of the portion here like this. So in the same way just I am drawing the excess of the portion trimming process. Okay, so here I am selecting this respected trimming process like this. Okay, now we have to draw the one more offset for the main bedroom. So here I am selecting offset. So just I am selecting the distance as 12 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So here I am selecting this respected line. So click on this respected option. Okay, so after that we have to apply the one more offset which is related to the 5 inches. Just I am considering this respected distance. So let us take this respected distance is 5 inches. Okay, so after that we have to trim the excess of the portion, TR double enter. Now I am trimming this respected option here. So let us consider trimming. So just I am trimming the bottom section also like this. Okay, so after that we have to draw the remaining portion for this respected building. So initially I am drawing the kitchen portion here. So for that initially we need to assume the horizontal distance as well as vertical distance. So here I am considering the horizontal distance will be comes under your respected distance of 11 feet. Let us consider. So here I am taking one more offset which is comes under your respected distance of 11 feet 0 inches. Just I am considering for this respected kitchen. So here I am taking this respected distance. Otherwise you can take this respected value also, 11 feet 6 inches is sufficient for this respected option. Initially we need to draw the offset for this vertical direction. So for that initially I am selecting offset. Let us consider this respected distance will be comes under your respected distance of, just I am taking it as 13 feet 0 inches. Okay, so here I am taking this respected option. Again I am taking offset which is comes under your 5 inches thickness. So here I am selecting this respected offset. So after that we have to trim the excess of the portion, TR double enter option here. So here I am trimming this respected portion. Again at the bottom section also just I am trimming this respected portion here like this. Okay, so trim option, just apply the trim. So after that we have to extend this respected lines, EX double enter. So just I am extending these lines and again I am extending this respected line. Now we have to trim the excess of the portion here, TR double enter. Just trim this respected two lines. So it will draw your respected kitchen portion here like this. Okay, so initially I am rotating this respected model here like this. So after drawing this, just we need to draw the puja room at the kitchen portion. So for that initially I am drawing the puja room with the dimensions of offset dimensions of 3 feet 0 inches. Okay, so in this respected distance again I am drawing one more offset which is comes under your 5 inches. So here I am drawing the offset. Again for this room just I am drawing one more offset which is 4 feet 0 inches in vertical position distance. So here I am selecting first point. Again I am selecting offset which is of 5 inches. Basically I am selecting this respected point, TR double enter. Now we have to trim the excess of the portions here in horizontal position as well as your vertical position. So just trim this respected excess of the options here like this. Okay, so after that we had to draw one more offset for this respected distance for the sit out purpose as well as your main door purpose. So that's why just I am taking the offset here which is related to your respected distance of, just I am considering it as 6 feet 0 inches for the sit out section. So here I am 6 feet 0 inches. Again I am selecting offset which is related to 9 inches. Just I am considering this respected value. So after that we have to trim the excess of the portion, TR double enter. So select trim option here. Again I am trimming this respected excess of the portion. Just we have to trim the object in order to make the regular sectional model. So trim this respected portion. Now I am extending this respected line, EX double enter. just I'm drawing the extensions here, just I'm deleting this respective option, just apply TR double enter here, trim this. So after that we had to remove this respective right hand side portion here, just I'm removing this and extend the line here like this. So apply the trim, TR double enter, just I'm applying the trim for this vertical line. So here I'm trimming this. So again we have to trim this respected portion. Okay, so now you can see, so it was drawn with the kitchen portion here. This is the hall and this is the dining section. Let us consider this is your master bedroom, this is the children bedroom. So for this respected master bedroom, just we need to add one washroom here, and for this respected children bedroom also, just I am adding one more washroom here. So for that, just I am selecting offset here, which is comes under your 6 feet 0 inches here. So let us take this respected offset here like this. So again I am taking one more offset, O enter, which is related to 5 inches distance for the inner wall section here like this. Now we have to trim the excess of the portion, apply TR double enter. Now I am selecting offset here, which is related to 4 feet, let us consider it as 0 inches. So in the vertical direction, just I am applying the offset here. So you can apply the offset in the same way for the inner wall section. So just I am selecting offset here. Again we have to apply the extend EX double enter, just we have to extend these respected lines. Now we have to trim the excess of the portions like this. Again I am trimming these respected points like this. So after that we have to apply the one more washroom section for this respected children bedroom also. So that's why just I am selecting this respected offset here, just I am selecting offset, which is related to 4 feet 0 inches. So select this respected point line, just I am drawing this. Again select offset here, so select to 5 inches basically. So just I am applying the offset here like this. Again select offset, which is related to 6 feet 0 inches distance, just I am drawing this. Again I am applying the offset, which is related to 5 inches distance, just I am applying here like this. Okay, so after that just we have to trim the excess of the portion, TR double enter, just I am trimming this. Just I am trimming this respected lines here, which is in horizontal position and vertical position for this section. Okay, so after that we have to draw the line, L enter, select the starting point, select the ending point here. Okay, so after drawing this respected everything, we need to draw the door sections for this respected building. So before drawing the door section, initially we need to measure the distance for the respected facing. Okay, so just I am selecting this respected linear option, just I am selecting first point is here, second point is here. So basically it will be comes under your respected distance of 10 feet 7 inches. So for this respected section, just I am basically considering the main door will be comes under your respected distance of 5 feet. So basically we will draw that respected door. Initially we need to apply the line here. So just I am applying the line. So basically we need to take some offset distance. Why? Because the door will not be exist on the end of your respected wall, which is related to your kitchen portion. So that's why we need to apply the offset here. So here I am taking 1 feet 0 inches is the offset. Just I am drawing this respected offset from this line. So again we have to apply the one more offset, which is related to 5 feet 0 inches. So again we have to apply the offset here. So after that we have to trim the excess of the portion. So just I am trimming this, otherwise you can delete it. So trim the excess of the portion here like this. Okay, so it will trim your respected option like this. Okay, so in the same process you can apply the same procedure for applying the doors. So basically here I am, as per my assumption, just I am considering the random lines, but you need to consider the original lines. So basically just I am taking random lines here for drawing the door sections. So here I am selecting L enter here, just I am taking some distance here, TR double enter. So here I am selecting trimming option for this respected portion. So here I am applying the doors for the remaining section. So as per my considerations for the building. So now we can see all the doors are applied for this respected building here like this. So after applying the doors, we need to apply the window section. So basically for that, initially we need to measure the maximum distance for any one of the facing here. So for that, select linear measurement here, select the first point, select the second point. So it will be consisting of your respected distance of 21 feet basically. So initially I am applying the line here. Next I am selecting starting point, ending point. So TR double enter, you can apply the offset here. So here I am taking this respected offset is 6 feet 0 inches. So select this respected point, just I am drawing this respected point. TR double enter, you can trim this respected objects. Okay, now you can apply the respected door with the help of the offset with the 3 panels. Let us consider each panel will be comes under your 2 feet 0 inches. Just I am applying the offset here, 2 feet 0 inches, 2 feet 0 inches. and 2 feet 0 inches. Okay, so after that we have to apply the offset here, which is related to your respective center point of this line. So basically we are considered this respective distance is 9 inches. 9 inches divided by your respective point 2, which is equals to your respective 4.5 inches. So just I am applying the offset here. So after that we have to trim the excess of the portion for the left hand side section, right hand side section for the window section. Okay, so it will draw your respected window here like this. So you can apply the windows for the remaining section of the building as per your considerations. Now we can see all the doors and windows drawn for this respected building here like this. So after that we have to draw the text for this respected house plan. Okay, so it will be consisting of your respected bedroom here like this. So initially we need to measure the inner to inner distance for the each and every bedroom section. So for that just I am rotating this respected model in east facing direction. So basically firstly we need to measure the distance from the starting point to ending point in horizontal position. So after that we have to measure the distance from starting point to ending point in vertical position. So after that we have to draw the text T, enter. So here just I am selecting the starting point here like this, again I am selecting the ending point here like this. So here I am drawing this respected name as bedroom 1. So let us consider, so bedroom 1, so let us consider it as bedroom 1. Okay, so after that click on enter option. So it will be consisting of 11 feet 6 inches in horizontal direction, click on X, 11 feet 7 inches in vertical direction. Okay, so you can adjust this respected text as per your considerations. So here I am selecting all this text, just I am taking this respected distance is 1 feet 0 inches. Let us consider, select this respected point. So it will draw your respected dimensions of your respected bedroom is like this. Okay, so after that you can copy this respected text as per your considerations of your remaining rooms. So here I am selecting this respected option. So just I am moving to the point, center point. So click on copy option, CO, enter. Select this text here, select this, again click on enter option. Okay, so click on enter option, select the base point here. So just I am copying this respected text to your respected bedroom 2 like this. So again I am selecting the dining section room. So let us consider this is dining section room, let us consider this is hall, and just I am taking this respected as kitchen portion. Okay, so secondly we need to measure the distance for this respected second bedroom. Okay, so just I am selecting the starting point is here and ending point here is here, so which is comes under your respected distance of 10 feet 7 inches in horizontal position, and vertical position will be consisting of 15 feet. So here we have to change this respected name from bedroom 1 to bedroom 2, which is consisting of your respected distance is 10 feet 7 inches cross 15 feet 0 inches is the distance. Okay, so here I am considering this respected distance. So after that you can delete this respected text. Again in the same way just I am selecting the dining section dimensions, select this point. So here I am selecting starting point here, again I am selecting ending point here, which is comes under your respected distance of 11 feet 6 inches. In the same way we have to measure the vertical distance also for this respected portion, which is comes under your respected value of 17 feet 8 inches. Okay, so here I am giving the name as dining hall. Let us consider. So here horizontal distance will be consisting of your 11 feet 6 inches, vertical distance will be consisting of 17 feet 8 inches basically. So we need to consider, so we have to delete this respected portion, so you can delete it. Again we have to select this respected hall portion room. So here I am selecting this respected area as living / hall. Basically we will consider. Okay, horizontal distance and vertical distance initially we need to measure. So here I am taking the starting point here and the ending point here. Basically it will be comes under your 11 feet distance. So after that we have to measure the vertical distance also. So here I am selecting starting point here, again I am selecting ending point here, which is comes under your respected distance of 20 feet 11 inches, and horizontal distance will be consisting of 11 feet 0 inches, vertical distance will be consisting of, let us take it as 20 feet 11 inches. Okay, so after that we have to delete this respected portion. So now we have to measure the distance for the kitchen portion. So in the horizontal position we need to select the starting point and ending point here, so which is comes under your respected distance of 11 feet 6 inches. In the same way we have to measure the vertical direction distance. So here I am selecting starting point, again I am selecting ending point here. Okay, which is comes under your respected distance of 13 feet. So basically we need to change this respected bedroom 1 to kitchen. Let us consider KITCHEN, kitchen portion. So let us consider. So we need to consider this respected horizontal distance is 11 feet 6 inches, vertical distance is 13 feet 0 inches. Okay, so this is respected plan. So after that we have to draw the puja room dimensions here. Let us consider text command T enter. Let us consider this respected option here like this. Let us take name as puja, which is comes under your respected distance of horizontal of 3 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 0 inches. Let us consider all the text and we need to change the respected distance dimensions is 6 feet. Let us consider this is the puja room for this respected house. Okay, so this is the dining section. So after that we have to draw the toilet dimensions also for this. Text T enter. So here I am selecting starting point, ending point. So here I am selecting toilet. Okay, so which is consisting of your respected horizontal distance of 6 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 0 inches vertical. Okay, so initially I am selecting this respected distance is, let us take it as 6 inches. Okay, this is the toilet. You can adjust this respected center point as per your considerations of move command. So after that we have to copy this, CO enter, select this, enter, select the point, just we have to move this respected point here. Okay, like this. So like this process you can draw the floor plan for the respected section. So after drawing the floor plan, basically we need to indicate the doors as well as your respected windows with the help of the letter D and W. Okay, so for that basically I am rotating the model here like this. Just we have to draw the text here. Just I am drawing the text here, which is consisting of your respected main door. Let us consider. So here I am taking the distance is 1 feet 0 inches. This is the main door for this respected house. M enter. You can adjust this respected point here. Enter. Like this. Again we have to copy the door here. So let us consider this respected option is door. Let us take text command. Just to drag this. Just to give it as D. You can change that respected point to 1 feet 0 inches distance. Let us consider. So let us move this. Next I am moving this respected point to the center position as per my considerations of this respected letter. So after that you can move the respected point by copying the option. Select copy, select the starting point. So again you can apply the door here like this. Again in the same way you can apply the door here like this. Again select the D. Again select the D here. Again copy this respected door like this. Okay, so in the same way you can apply the respected D command for the remaining sections. Okay, so in the same way we can apply the windows also. So initially I am selecting this respected W. Just I am changing the name as window. Let us consider. Just to click on copy command, select this respected point. So click on enter option, select this point. So in the same way you can apply the W here like this. So you can apply the window here like this, and you can apply the W here like this. Okay, so in the left hand side section also you can apply the window here. Okay, so in the same way you can apply the ventilator section also. Let us consider this is my ventilator for this respected house. V enter. So after that you can apply the copy for this respected section. CO enter, select this, select the starting point, just apply the ventilator at this respected position. So again we can apply the ventilator at this respected position like this. Okay, so after drawing everything, initially we need to measure the outer wall dimensions. Okay, so let us consider this respected first point and let us consider this respected second point, which is comes under your respected distance of 49 feet in vertical direction, and horizontal direction basically it will be comes under your respected value of first point, second point, which is comes under your respected distance of, let us consider it as 24 feet. Okay, so after drawing everything, if you want to indicate the color for this respected door as well as your living section, basically we will select this respected option, click on enter option. So here it will be consisting of bilayer property. You can apply any one of the color as per your considerations. So here I am taking it as red. So in the same process, just I am applying all the red color for the entire sections of the text. So after that, if you want to change the color for the door section, you can apply the same procedure here. So here I am taking this respected door section will be of blue color. Let us consider. So in the same process you can apply the respected color for the window section as well as your ventilation section. So here I am taking pink color for the window section. So after that we need to change the color for the window ventilation sections also. So basically we need to select these respected lines here. So here I am selecting windows for this line. So again you can select the lines in horizontal, vertical. You can select bilayer property here. So you can apply any one of the color as per your considerations. So basically here I am selecting it as blue color. Basically we will consider. So in the same process you can apply the blue color for the remaining portions also. Now you can see all the windows are changed with blue color. So after that some people will apply hatch for the wall section. So initially I will explain you how to apply the walls. Hatch command. So H enter. So 45-degree line basically we will apply for the hatching section. Okay, for indicating the wall sections. So here I am selecting ANSI. Let us consider this expected value of your respected distances. This time taking it as 5 inches. Let us consider. So select ANSI line, use the pattern color. Let us consider this respected color as some white color. Just basically I will consider. So here I am selecting this respected point. It will apply your hatching here like this. You can select this respected point intersection as per your considerations. So here I am taking it as 10 value. Let us consider. You can apply the hatch for the remaining sections here like this. So again you can select this property of a hatch. You can change the value here 10. So in the same process you can apply the hatching for the remaining section. So here I am applying hatching. So after that you can change the scale to your respected distance of 10 here. Enter here. Okay. So it will change your respected scale to 10 here. Okay. So after drawing everything, we need to rotate this respected model as per your considerations of the plan. So we need to save this respected model as per the PDF format. Okay, you can save it. So for that select Z enter, A enter option. So it will select your respected plan here like this. So go to your AutoCAD software. So click on export here. So it will ask you to select your any one of the format. So here I am selecting PDF file. So here I am selecting my desktop location. So let us consider it as tutorial 1. Okay, so like tutorial 1, click on save option. So it will save your respected model. Now I will show you how to check the output file as the PDF format. So it was ready with the plot. Okay, so minimize this respected option. So it is ready with the tutorial 1. Double click on it. Okay, so it will open your respected PDF. It will be consisting of your respected floor plan for the east facing direction. Okay, basically this is our floor plan. So as per our considerations, just we are drawing floor plan for the east facing direction. Okay, so this is the complete floor plan details drawing process by using AutoCAD 2D software. So in my upcoming video I will explain you how to draw the center line diagram and how to draw the beam layout for this respective floor plan by using AutoCAD 2D commands. Okay, so this is the process. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. Thank you.